Let's go. I'm gonna leave a video in the description down below that I posted not too long ago on how to actually get the tuner view for your 10th gen. So go ahead and check it out. But right now the IAT is at 78.8, and then we'll see the outcome with the stock intercooler once I'm done with all the pulls. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's the day, guys. Today we're actually gonna be installing the PRL intercooler with the charge pipes, so that should be pretty interesting. I'm also going to be doing a comparison versus the stock intercooler with the pipes versus the PRL intercooler with the charge pipes, and that should be pretty interesting in like temps and how the car cools down over a couple pulls. And yeah, we'll just jump right into it. So right now we're going to go ahead and do some pulls with the stock intercooler and get some data via this tuner view app. And if you're curious on how to actually download the tuner view, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a video in the description below on a video I did like not too long ago on how to actually download it for your 10th gen. So that way you can get all these like layouts and whatnot for the tuner view, which is actually pretty dope. You can do different layouts. There's a bunch of different ones, but I like doing just a stock one. Alright, before we go ahead and start doing some pulls, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 3 different maps that I have. So these are all base maps off the K-Tuner, by the way. So first one being stock map, second being 17 PSI normal, 19 PSI sport, third being 21 normal, 23.5 PSI on sport. And all these pulls are gonna be done in second gear. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right guys, we're gonna get on, we'll do first gear. The IAT got up, pretty much everything started rising as soon as I did that pull. So that was first map. Now let's go ahead and do the second map. Alright, so now we're on map 2. Go ahead and do some pulls real quick. Second gear, third gear right now, so let me drop. Alright, ready? PSI. Yo, that shit was moving. Coming to a stop, but as you can see, the IAT is around 120. It's dropping right now a bit. But yo, this shit, like, I'm excited for the intercooler. I know it's gonna be a huge difference. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna do a quick pull on map 3, which is 23 PSI. This is also a base map. I'm not gonna do a long pull, I just wanna do second and third and see what the temperatures are like. So we'll go ahead and... Alright. So went up to 122. Let's go ahead and do it again. Third gear. Thing about this tuner view thing is you can switch the layout to a drag kind of thing. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I've never tried it, and if you're curious to know on how to download this tuner view, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below of a video I did on how to install this to your 10th. But as you can see, it has the little lights. It also has 1/8, 1/4, and 0 to 60. Which is pretty dope. So let's see if we start it. Let's see what that does. Oh, there you go. Look, it's yellow, 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 green, and then boom, you would go. But right now, since I'm not moving, it's not really doing anything. So we'll go ahead and try that out. And let's see how that goes. Clean IS right there. on the stock tires. Actually, that was pretty bad. 10 seconds. 0 to 60 is 6 seconds. Oh well. That's a pretty cool feature though. I just wanted to try out that feature. As you can see, the temperatures are pretty high. The IAT is at 150 now after doing that pull or that dig from 0 to 60. It's pretty sick. Now let's go install the intercooler. Hopefully there's a big difference, which I know there will be. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Wait it down. Holy crap.
Big old difference.
Huh?
Big old difference.
Oh, can you see from this? The size too, huh? Like this way?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh. Yo, PRL intercooler charge pipe. MAP performance intake. Let's get it. And you got the whole car. So we had to cut the ends right here off to fit the bigger intercooler. Yeah, this end is right here. Angel the mechanic.
20 or something. Just need to turbo on it. You want that? With that border?
You can put it on.
You can put it on top. What the fuck is this?
No. Alright. Is it going?
Yeah.
Alright, put it on the last charge pipe before you put the intercooler and we set. And go do some rips. Let Angel pull it.
Yes, sir.
Just for the vlog. Alright, so we're taking off this charge pipe and we should be good. And then Angels hold the camera. Alright, so the last one's down here. Bruh. That would have been all bad.
Here, just do something.
No, I got it right here. Alright. Take two, taking off this last charge pipe. The difference.
More boost?
More boost. Ooh. And what's all that wedge shit? Oh yeah, and I got one down there all the way in the bottom. Come off. How do I get in there? See? Who's mad? Look at that extension. Just to get the one down there. You got it?
I think so.
There, it's good. Alright. Intercooler's almost ready. We're almost there. Oh, let me see this little shit.
Take this to the trash.
the trash? Alright, so this is going to the trash. Nah, I'm kidding. Damn, this thing looks fully naked. Sheesh. Yo, I'm gonna paint my lips and get a splitter. Try the lip on your car. Hell yeah. That dento. This one's on. All this. Yo, there's a huge ass difference. Yo, look at all this scraping. This is all on the bottom. But look how many screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's like 13. Oh, that's a lot, huh? For lips. Fuck it, don't come off.
Ciao, ciao. Non sei la tela. Aguantare sempre. Dirt map, you fucking actually feel it.
So it's at 91 right now. 93. So we'll see after a few pulls.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching